there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community.
In the icy expanse of the Antarctic, there existed a small settlement of penguins nestled on a remote island. The colony lived in peace, thriving amidst the frosty wilderness. The penguins, while simple and joyful creatures, were wise in their ways, respecting the harsh elements that surrounded them. Among them was a particularly curious young penguin named Pippin. Pippin had eyes that sparkled with curiosity and a heart that longed for adventure. His friends often found him gazing at the sky or wandering at the edge of the frozen cliffs, dreaming of what lay beyond the horizon. One chilly evening, as Pippin observed the sky, he noticed something different. Dark, ominous clouds gathered swiftly, shrouding the usual serene twilight. A chilling whistling wind began to rise, sending whispers of impending turmoil across the island. Pippin hurried back to the colony. "There's a storm coming." "A huge one," he squawked, flapping his wings with urgency. The elder of the penguin clan, old Gavin, acknowledged the signs. Remembering such storms from his own youth, he understood both the danger and the need for swift preparation. "This will be a test for all of us," old Gavin declared solemnly. "We must gather together, seek shelter, and protect one another." The penguins bustled into action. Families huddled in tighter formations as parents shielded their young with their bodies. They gathered extra snow, creating insulated barriers against the biting cold. The strong among them helped reinforce the walls of their burrowed homes. As the storm descended, winds howled fiercely, and snow whirled across the icy grounds. The island was soon enveloped in white, a swirling blizzard of relentless fury. Inside their burrows, the penguins clung to the warmth of each other. Hearts beat in a shared rhythm, and Pippin, although afraid, felt an unyielding sense of community and courage among his kin. He thought of the day's events and realized the importance of preparation and teamwork. The storm raged for hours, testing the strength of their makeshift fortifications. But slowly, the winds began to wane, and the thrashing snow softened into gentle flakes once again. When dawn broke, the penguins emerged cautiously. The island lay transformed under a pristine blanket of snow, untouched and glistening in the sunlight. The storm had passed, leaving a calm serenity in its wake. Old Gavin waddled forward, grinning at the unified survival of the colony. "We did it, together," he murmured, beaming with pride at the brave faces around him. Pippin's heart swelled with newfound respect for his fellow penguins. The storm had taught him that adventure didn't always mean leaving, sometimes, it meant facing what came to you. As he looked out over the icy expanse, he knew that the spirit of togetherness was the greatest adventure of all.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.